Welcome to the Iberia Airlines Dalí Lounge in Terminal 4 of Madrid-Barajas Airport, a haven of comfort, style, and Spanish hospitality before your flight. Whether you're flying business class with Iberia, oneworld, or have elite status, the Dalí Lounge offers the perfect escape from the hustle of the terminal. Located airside in T4 near gates H, J, and K, this spacious lounge is ideal for travelers flying to both domestic and international destinations. Step inside and you'll find sleek, modern design with plenty of natural light, thanks to the terminal's stunning architecture and panoramic runway views. With ample seating, power outlets, and workstations, the lounge is great for both relaxation and productivity. Feeling hungry? Enjoy a rotating selection of hot and cold Spanish dishes, tapas, snacks, and desserts. The self-service bar offers wine, beer, premium spirits, and espresso, all complimentary. Need to freshen up? Clean, modern shower facilities are available, perfect for long layovers or before a red-eye. Traveling with kids? There's a dedicated family area, along with newspapers, magazines, and quiet corners for reading or napping. Whether you're here for 30 minutes or a few hours, the Iberia Dalí Lounge provides an elevated pre-flight experience, blending convenience, comfort, and the warmth of Spanish service. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you visited the lounge, and let us know your favorite lounge in Europe.